Hi folks, Luca at Sharper Trades. AMD. AMD is pressing this 122 resistance. Technicals remain bullish. They went to 124.76 and then backed off. So there's still a resistance. And we're looking back at the July high, July 14th high. So that's the level to break. Looks like, again, a setup for the next wave up. And if it breaks and sticks above it, the resistance moving forward on 129 and 134, support ATMA, and 116 if you're swinging it. BIDU is they trade today, very good. I covered yesterday in the video, and today I made a move, testing, broke actually the 50 simple moving average. Inside the 1 minute chart, this was day trading action. Consolidation out of the gate, stabilize above the VWP, and then made the move from 119 and 121. The resistance in terms of swing, this initiate the swing, is breaking above the 50 simple moving average. Volume is strong and received an upgrade target at 145, also positive coverage from Baron. I like this setup, earnings behind us. So here there's a possibility of a pullback retest, which is today low must hold area. So that is within the range of possibilities. What I'm looking for is a move through 122.50 with the first target 128 to 134 and 140. Support 118, 115. Discover an incredible opportunity. Mastering the trading game. Triple book bundle, your pathway to trading mastery. Hi there, I'm Luca Moschini and I'm excited to share this amazing offer with you. Stick around for this irresistible deal. But first, let's see what's inside the bundle. In this bundle, you'll get 3 powerful books. Trade Like a Pro with Japanese candlesticks, master candlestick pattern for precise trading. Secrets of Trading Revealed, learn to trade with smart money, but gaining insider trading insights. And 10 most powerful and effective rules of trading. These are my golden trading principles. Get all this knowledge for just $9.99. And even if you're not into books, don't worry, I got a surprise for you. I'll throw one of my courses, one of my technical courses in this bundle. That's right, for just $9.99, you'll get the Mastering the Trading Game bundle and a course valued up to $100. Just click the link to grab the books and the course. It's a deal you can't beat. This book is a resource I'm passionate about. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link, you won't regret it. Mastering the Trading Game, your gateway to trading success. Click the link now and seize this incredible offer. Your trading journey starts here. See you inside.